Hello there, fellow creators. Welcome to our channel where we embark on exciting AI adventures. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of Bluewillow, an incredible AI tool that transforms your thoughts and ideas into stunning pictures. It's like having your very own personal artist, and guess what? It's absolutely free. Bluewillow can turn your ideas into beautiful pictures. You just need to type in some casual text, and it will create stunning images for you in no time. To get started, simply head to the Blue Willow website, register yourself, and follow the steps to enter Discord community page. Now, just tap into the Blue Willow section on Discord page, go to the rookie section to use your free version of up to 10 prompts a day. I will be using my paid version today in the private area here for demonstration purpose. But don't worry, the free version is equally good. You can also seek help and ask any questions as you want in this window in case you're stuck, and there'll be somebody replying to you very quickly. Now, let the magic begin. Go to the search bar at the bottom and start typing /imagine. You'll see a pop-up for prompt. Just select that and start typing or paste your text here after that. Let's try to input something here. And here we have the outcome. Isn't that amazing? But please note, in case you're lost, you can easily find your output here. Just go to the search bar and type in your username to find your image. You can then upscale your outcomes by selecting option U1 to U4 if you like something, or create variants by selecting V1 to V4. In case you're not happy, don't worry. Keep giving revised prompts, which will help the AI to understand better to get the desired result. Once you get the desired image output, just select that to open and right-click to download or save and use it anywhere to create some artistic magic. You can also check out other conversations on this page and other rookie pages to know how other users are using unique prompts to generate fascinating results. But hold on, before you go anywhere, make sure to watch this video till the end because we've got another impressive tool to reveal, one that brings these images to life and creates animated clips from these images with just a click. And to top it all, it's also completely free. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's understand the different use cases with some interesting examples of prompts which I have already shortlisted with the help of ChatGPT before. And yes, do not forget, you can also use ChatGPT or Google Bard to make your text image prompts better and better. There are so many cool ways to use Bluewillow. Let's check out 6 of them today using some real-time examples. Animated videos and GIFs. You can use the images from Bluewillow to make cool animated videos and GIFs, which you can share with your friends or post it on your social media account to increase engagement. It's fun and exciting. Storytelling and book covers. Authors can use these images to create attractive book covers and illustrations for their stories. It makes their books look unique and interesting. Digital marketing. Bluewillow images are perfect for digital marketing, like making ads, email visuals, and graphics for websites. It helps your audience to understand your messages clearly and efficiently, so that you can get more and more clicks. Personal art and projects. Artists and creators can use these images as a starting point for their own art projects and experiments. They can then change and improve the images to match their artistic vision. Product design. AI-generated images reflect eye-catching visuals for professional product designing or prototyping, which can then be used to curate the final product without having the need to hire expensive 3D designers. Fashion photography. Fashion brands can create amazing visuals without having the need to hire expensive models and design their merchandises to build their upcoming collections, which also help in product designing as well as creating mind-blowing marketing campaigns. As you would have noticed, you can even generate images in different sizes suiting your requirements, like portraits for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, landscape for YouTube videos, and squared ones for LinkedIn and Facebook. Also, to extract different image sizes like portray, just enter comma followed by ~space AR space 2:3 for landscape 3:2, and by default, Bluewillow already gives you a square image. You can find all the above prompts that I used today in the description box below and start using Bluewillow yourself right now. But do not forget to share your amazing experiences in the comment section if you found this useful. And now, finally, it's time for our secret reveal. You can make these images come to life using LiaPix Converter. Simply sign into liapix.com, upload your image, adjust the desired effect, and download or save the video clip in MP4 format instantly. You can animate these images according to your need and then use them for stories, videos, social media engagement, or business presentations. Don't forget, this tool is also completely free and fairly simple to use. I have again shared the link in the description box below for accessing LiaPix Converter. To sum it all up, Blue Willow is a fantastic tool for turning text into amazing art. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, which will keep us motivated and driven to share more tutorials on upcoming AI tools. Until then, stay creative and keep exploring the wilderness of these exciting AI tools.